All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're jumping right into something that might actually surprise you, how you, as a foreign citizen, can legally get a piece of one of Asia's most dynamic emerging markets.
So let me just answer the question on your screen right off the bat. Yes, it's true. You absolutely do not have to be a Pakistani citizen to invest in its stock market. I know, right? Whether you're in Indonesia, the USA, or anywhere in Europe, you can legally own a slice of the Pakistan Stock Exchange, all from the comfort of your home country.
And look, this isn't just some fun fact or a weird loophole. It's a genuine and, for many, a totally untapped opportunity. We're talking about the Pakistan Stock Exchange, or PSX, which is a pretty fascinating market for any global investor.
So you might be asking, okay, but why should I care? Well, what's the real draw here? First off, Pakistan consistently has some of the highest dividend yields you can find in emerging markets. On top of that, you get access to some seriously fast-growing companies. But, and this is the kicker, you're often getting them at valuations that are way more attractive than in overcrowded markets. When you put all that together, it points to two really powerful things: the potential for great returns and some incredible diversification for your portfolio.
And this isn't about investing in just one thing. You get access to a huge range of industries. We're talking about everything from the big, established pillars like banking and energy, all the way to high-growth sectors like technology and pharmaceuticals. So you're not just buying into one story, you're tapping into the country's whole economic engine.
Okay, I can almost hear the big question you're probably asking right now. It all sounds great, but how? How is this actually possible? How can a foreign citizen, legally and safely invest in Pakistan's stock market? It's the million-dollar question.
And that's the most important part, isn't it? The good news is there is a simple, official, and fully regulated path that was designed specifically for foreign investors. Let's walk through it.
The entire answer is in this one little acronym, SCRA. It stands for a Special Convertible Rupee Account. Now, don't let the technical name fool you. Just think of it as your official gateway, your legal key to the market. It's a special kind of bank account created by the State Bank of Pakistan for one reason and one reason only: to let foreign nationals invest in the stock market securely and transparently. This is what unlocks the whole process.
So how do you get one? You're probably picturing a total bureaucratic nightmare, right? Mountains of paperwork? Nope. The whole thing actually boils down to a surprisingly simple 4-step roadmap. Let me show you how simple it is. First, you pick an authorized bank in Pakistan and apply for the SCRA. Second, you just submit the basics. We're talking a copy of your passport and proof of address. That's it. Third, you link that new bank account to a licensed local brokerage firm. And finally, step 4, the fun part. You wire funds into your account and you are officially ready to trade on the PSX from anywhere in the world. It's that direct. And hey, if there's any little bit of doubt left in your mind, this quote from our source material should clear it up. The process is, and I'm quoting here, 100% legal, fully regulated, and your profits can be sent back without restrictions. Let that last part sink in. Without restrictions. That means the entire system is built on a foundation of legal security and financial freedom for you, the investor. So we've covered the why, the opportunity, and the how, the actual blueprint. But honestly, this is just the beginning of what could be a really interesting investment journey for you.
And don't worry, we're not going to leave you hanging. In our upcoming explainers, we're going to get even more practical. We'll show you exactly how to do all this, how to choose a bank and open your SCRA, what to look for in a good brokerage firm, and the basics of making your first trades. We've got you covered.
Which really just leaves us with one final question to think about. Now that you know the door is open, that there is a clear and legal path forward, are you ready to explore what could be one of Asia's most promising markets? Thanks for watching The Explainer.